We just arrived in the Dead Sea.
Dead Sea.
You know where Dead Sea is? This is a body of salty water or seawater in between Jordan and Israel. This huge body of water. Uh, that area is the West Bank, according to our landlord. Missiles from Iran, no? That portion is flying over this area going to Israel, no? So, hopefully mamayang gabi walang ganong walang ganong mga missile. Airbnb is located just in the area.
Yan na yung West Bank. So, Israel na po yan.
Huh? So they have limits on people to swim, no, up to 5 p.m. So hindi namin abutan, but it's still okay. We drove all the way from Aqaba, going here more than 4 hours, but Amman is going there. It's just an hour drive. Tomorrow is our flight going to Egypt at 9 a.m. So dapat sa airport nasa 6 a.m. kami. Those are mga hotels, no? Branded hotels, Hilton, Ramada, no, ano ba yan? Marriott on the other side of the other side of the portion of the Dead Sea.